Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for coming here today to learn I Got 21 Reasons. It's a nice low intermediate level line dance, 4 walls, 32 counts, choreographed by Cameron Stewart. And Scully and I are going to get started. So it starts out with 4 Dorothys, which are sometimes called wizards. And the rhythm of a Dorothy is really important. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and, as opposed to 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It really makes a difference in the way the step looks. So we're going to do 4 of them, starting with our right foot. They're always done at a diagonal, unless on this one, like you're going to be traveling. We're going to go 1, 2, and I'm going to go 1 quarter turn and take my left one forward, 3, 4, and do another quarter to 6, 5, 6, and then you take 1 more staying here on the angle. I know I'm a little off camera. Left, right, left. All right, so I'll do that again with counts. We're going to take the right foot to an angle, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and, which gets you to 6 o'clock, okay? So from here, back up a little bit, 2 kickball steps. Kickball step, so you travel, kickball step. Rock forward on that right foot, rock, recover. You're on your left, you're going to follow your right shoulder to a half a shuffle turn, step right together, step. Okay, I'll do it again at this wall and I'll flip it to maybe one of the side walls so you can see it. So you just finished on your left foot, 2 kickball steps, go right, right, left, right, right, left, rock, left, cha, cha, cha. I'll do it on a side wall. Make sure you get your feet right on that one. So you would have just been on your left foot, 6, 7, 8. You have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, back to the top. 6, 7, 8. You've got 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you're back where you started. Now you have that motion going, right? You're traveling right. You're going to continue to travel right with a quarter turn. So after I pull my right shoulder to here, 7 and 8. Step left forward on 1, and then turn 1 quarter, all your weight on your right foot, so you're at 9 o'clock. Take your left foot to a crossing triple, step and step. Side rock, right, left, and then a weave, cross behind side cross, back, side, cross. So that count is forward on the left, 1 quarter, 2, crossing, 3 and 4, side, 5, 6, back, 7, and 8. You're hanging out at 3 o'clock. Okay? Let's go to the top, add that on. 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, travel 3 and 4, turn right, 6, 7, right again, go 1, 2, over 3 and 4, side 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I think it helps a lot that when you're doing your first, that half turn, just keep that motion, that momentum going, and then it'll get you naturally as long as you don't over-rotate, okay? So we've just gone right, left, right. I'll show it to you at this wall, and I'll flip it. Take some switches, point left, point right, heel left, heel right, ball step, rock, a turning triple, left, right, left. Okay, let's talk about that one more time. Let me do it at this wall. Left foot goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, left, 7 and 8. You're on your left foot and you start the dance again. Okay, one more time at the correct wall. Is this where I was? I think so. So you just come around with your right, left, right, left, right. Left foot goes point, step, heel step, rock, recover, starting the dance with 1. Right? So now we'll go back to the beginning and do the whole dance. We still have to learn the tag, but it's not too difficult. And I'm going to show you at 2 walls so you can get it. All right? Alrighty. Right leg, 6, 7, 8. You have left 1, 2 left 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 2 kicks, kickball step, turn right with a half, 7 and 8, quarter 1, 2 over 3 and 4, rock, recover, weave, 7 to your switches, left and right and left and right and left, right. Here we go again, 1, 2, forward 3, 4 again, 5, 6 and 7 and kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn right, 6, 7 and 8, go 1, 2, 3 and 4, go 5, 6, 7, here's your switch, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now you go to 6 and you would be at your third wall. Yeah. So the tag, it's a 16 count tag and it's a place in the music that you'll be able to hear coming and you will absolutely know if you missed it because the music is completely different than the rest of the song. So it's really clear that there's a tag there. Now it happens after wall 7, which means that you complete wall 7, which is your back wall. Okay, so you're going to finish wall 7 and then you're going to do the tag. I'm going to show you the tag with my back to you to start. Actually, I wonder if I show it this way. Let me show it this way so you can see it. So the first part of the tag is the same step that we did on the second 8. Kickball step. So we go kickball step, rock, recover, half turn. Boom. Okay, that is exactly the same. The second count of 8 for the tag is a left mambo, front, recover, back, a right coaster back, right, left, right. Now, instead of doing a rock, recover turn, we're going to go pivot step, forward, left, pivot, and triple chop, chop, chop. Okay? So, once again, the tag goes a kickball step, rock, recover, turn, right, cha, cha, cha. Mambo step, coaster step, pivot to the right, chop, 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 and you'll start your dance again. Okay? Now that happens at wall 7. So let's practice wall 7. That's where your back is to me, and so you'll see exactly where it fits. Okay? You do the whole thing. Tag doesn't break up the pattern. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. I almost forgot where I was going. I got so excited. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, right foot goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2. This is actually part of the tag, right? 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side 5, 6, 7, and switch. Switch and switch and switch and switch. Here comes the tag. Kickball step. Turn to your right. Mambo step. Mambo, turn to your right, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and start the dance again. So we start right here. Wall 7 was here, that would be wall 8, so it works. So that is the dance, and I think what we need to do now is just put it together with a little bit of music, okay? Turn it to the right, keep going right. Side rock. Switch. Top. Turn. Face 12. Here we go from 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. And turn. Again. Side rock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Trust the music. Whoops, I'm sorry. Sorry, we can go. turn them on. There you go. Not bad, huh? It's fun. It goes really well with the music. What do you think? No opinion. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, please do me the favor and subscribe. Always, as I say, please share the video, like the video, comment, and also, if you don't know, you can slow the video down on YouTube on that little wheel, right, the settings. And if you want to take a look at the step sheet, I always post it underneath in the description, okay? So you can always reach me, and if you're in Los Angeles, please look me up so we can actually dance together. So on behalf of my loyal assistant, thanks for coming, and I'll see you on the dance floor.